Today, we're diving into the complex and often misunderstood condition known as fibromyalgia. Recent research has shed light on potential causes and mechanisms behind this condition, and we're here to break down these scientific findings into understandable insights. After my last video on fibromyalgia, some weren't really content with the depth of my elaborations. In this video, I want to give it a shot and go really deep, but also stay short and precise. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Gideon from PAIN.PAUSE.LIVE, licensed psychotherapist in Germany, specialized on the treatment of chronic pain patients, honored with a German Pain Award for Science and Pain Medicine in 2022, and, as I already hinted to in other videos, a chronic pain patient myself. In this channel, I want to inform you on a personal and scientific sound basis about chronic pain. A short notice before we start. This video is intended for educational purposes only and not as a substitute for psychotherapy or medical treatment in any way. If you suffer from symptoms like constant pain or recurring pain, please consult your doctor. In 2021, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation by Gideon et al. Made a groundbreaking discovery regarding fibromyalgia's potential autoimmune origins. The researchers found that patient-derived antibodies and cytokines, both part of the immune system, affect pain-sensing neurons, increasing their excitability and sensitivity. When these autoantibodies were injected into mice, the animals developed fibromyalgia-like symptoms, such as increased pain sensitivity and cognitive impairments. Remarkably, these symptoms were reversible, suggesting that fibromyalgia may be driven by an autoimmune process targeting the nervous system. But hear my word of warning. While this sounds really good and promising, mice are not man. Yes, we share a lot. That's why these experiments are made this way. Nevertheless, we know from research today that these models can hardly be transferred from the animal to the human one-to-one. There are more complex things going on in us humans, especially psychologically, that we know of today. So, while interesting and promising, please remember, you're not a mouse. Fibromyalgia is characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain and tenderness at specific points on the body. Functional MRI studies have shown that fibromyalgia patients have augmented brain processing of pain signals with increased activation in areas like the insula and prefrontal cortex. This central amplification, along with impaired pain inhibition due to dysregulated neurotransmitters, contributes to the sensation of pain spreading throughout the body. Okay, just a short question on the side to take out the speed a little bit. Are you interested in learning how to reduce stress and tension when in pain? Get your first easy-to-learn exercise for free. Just click on the link in the description or at the top of the comments. Disrupted sleep is a universal symptom in fibromyalgia, with up to 99% of patients reporting issues like insomnia and unrefreshing sleep. One mechanism behind this is the intrusion of alpha EEG waves during deep sleep stages, which disrupts the restorative quality of sleep. Additionally, imbalances in serotonin levels and elevated pro-inflammatory cytokines can impair sleep and lead to daytime fatigue and cognitive difficulties, often referred to as fibrofog. Many fibromyalgia patients also experience gastrointestinal issues that meet the criteria of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Research suggests that this may be due to gut dysbiosis, increased intestinal permeability, and disrupted brain-gut interactions. Serotonin, which is dysregulated in fibromyalgia, also plays a role in gut motility and secretions linking these conditions. Patients with fibromyalgia often report increased sensitivities to stimuli like heat, cold, loud noises, light, and the like. This is thought to be due to sensitization of peripheral sensory neurons and impaired inhibitory pathways in the central nervous system. For instance, fibromyalgia patients may experience severe pain from heat that would only be mildly unpleasant to others. There's evidence that fibromyalgia involves dysregulation of the autonomic nervous system, which controls automatic bodily processes. Patients may exhibit symptoms like elevated heart rates, abnormal sweating, and dizziness upon standing, suggesting a disruption in the communication between the autonomic nervous system and the brain. Lastly, abnormalities in the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, HPA, which regulates the body's stress response, have been observed in fibromyalgia patients. This dysfunction could contribute to various symptoms, including pain, fatigue, and sleep disturbances. In conclusion, fibromyalgia is a complex disorder that likely arises from a combination of autoimmune processes, neurogenic sensitization, neurotransmitter imbalances, autonomic nervous system dysregulation, and inflammatory processes. While there's no cure yet, understanding these mechanisms offers hope for more effective treatments in the future. And there's already a lot you can do. Talk to your doctor about it. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more of my content. Until next time, stay curious.